Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today we're going to be talking about the differences between law of attraction and law of assumption. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to enroll in my perfect self-concept course, the Manifest Your SP course, the Game of Alignment course, or Subliminal Secrets. All of that is on ritakaminski.com, baby. You can also go on ritakaminski.com to book one-on-one coaching, collective coaching, and get yourself some customized subliminals. After watching this video, you will become a master manifester of your own reality. And with that, let's get into it. The differences between law of attraction and law of assumption are stark. Law of attraction, you attract what it is that you want by means of vibrating. You're a fucking vibrator, baby. For law of assumption, you are assuming the identity of the person who has their manifestation. The end. Law of attraction, the core idea is like attracts like. You attract into your life whatever energy, frequency, or vibration that you give out. In the law of attraction, you are like a satellite where you give out certain frequencies and the universe must match that. For example, if you throw out bad energy into the universe will throw it right back in means of getting a flat tire, getting an extra bill, getting exactly what it is that you do not want. It's so hard for me not to disprove that BS law, because how many bad people have you seen that literally got so many things in their life? Like, please, come on now. Let's use our heads. Anyways, the main focus and teachings is visualizing exactly what it is that you want, feeling it in your being, believing it that it is a thing right now, and maintaining a high vibrational state to get those desires. So the teaching is you must be happy all of the time to manifest your desires. The origins of law of attraction is Abraham Hicks and Abraham Hicks only. It is not The Secret. But yeah, an example of law of attraction is you want to be rich, so you are grateful for the riches in your life. Now, it doesn't matter if it's money or an abundance of amazing food that you have or love or whatever. You must feel rich before you actually are rich. That in turn will attract more riches into your life. Law of assumption, on the other hand, the core idea of that is what you assume to be true in your reality right now is right now true in your reality right now. Can I be any more clearer than that? So for the law of assumption, your identity and your assumptions and how you think on a moment-to-moment basis, your dominant thoughts automatically reflects outwardly in your external reality. The main focus and teachings of law of assumption is thinking as the you that already has their manifestation right now, living in the end, and not needing proof from the outside world, not reacting to whatever is telling you right now that you don't have this thing. The origin is wildly debated. I would give a huge shout out to Abdullah, and I have talked about Abdullah at great length in this video, but it was highly, did I mention it was highly popularized by Neville Goddard in the 1940s. So for example, if you continuously think dominantly, I am wealthy, I am wealthy, I am wealthy, when your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors align with I am wealthy, that instantly hardens into fact. Are you consistent? Are you persistent? Are you not wavering? You must be dominantly, and I emphasize that, dominantly thinking as the you that is wealthy. You can't go backtracking and saying, I can't pay my bills. Because what does that say? It says that you're not wealthy. So law of attraction, you manifest by drawing it in. Law of assumption, you manifest by being the manifestation already, having the manifestation already. Law of attraction is you sending out energy, so the universe sends that manifestation to you. Law of assumption is you are assuming that you have this now, and your own subconscious mind will print that out into your reality instantly. I like to think of it as law of attraction is feelings and the universe controlling your shit. Law of assumption is your thoughts and you controlling your shit. So in conclusion, law of attraction is magnetism. You are drawing your manifestations in by means of feeling. Law of assumption is your inner identity. Who are you being? What is your identity? Are you the version of you who has a successful business, who has a husband, or are you the version of you who's simply manifesting that? Big difference there. I want to know in the comments down below, for you, what is the biggest difference between law of attraction and law of assumption, so people can read in the comments and learn even more, so we can learn and grow together. Yay! I love you all so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know that you absolutely loved it. I know that this video gave you the guidance that you needed, and I know that this is the best YouTube video that you have ever watched in your goddamn life, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Shawty fuck on me 'cause you know I'm popular. Popular, born to be popular. She ain't that 20 mil, but she run it up. She can never be broke 'cause she popular.